Hey, Brian from Garagewell Hall. I have an amazing product for you to check out, so let's go. Okay, here is the Helio Aero Broom. That's the instructions on how to put together. So that is your broom piece as well as your dustpan. So it connects right on there. And then here's your handle pieces, and then you get a smaller air broom. So basically we are putting this on the back end. So that is like your hook. And you gotta line that up pretty good, but here you go. And then you simply just insert this in here. And then it snaps. And then this unlocks it so you have a super height adjustable broom. All right, let's see how it works. All right, so this is kind of like my garage floor mat that I use for working on cars and stuff and cutting up wood. You can see how that sweeps all that together in a nice little pile. And I'm actually doing this one-handed, so it works out pretty well. And then get all that little garage dirt. Great on cement floors. And helpful if you have some melting snow and ice, you can whip that right off your deck. So it's great as a squeegee. And it works great on pit here that your vacuum may leave behind. And it works great again on flat floors.